Guys, I am a singer, Eternal Voice, Sutero. So now I'll be doing a different vlogging this time, which is not really the same as before. Usually because I do singing, I do talking about occupational safety and health. Now it's a diversion. Actually, this is very easy, the most basic cooking that the whole world can introduce. Okay, this is all about, I know that, we'll never mention that one. Before I will get my kitchen utensils. Okay, here it is. I will have my kaha. Sa Bisaya pa, this is kaha. Okay, and also I have my, this one. This is an electrical heater. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and then I prepare my oil. So you know now already what I'm going to do. Okay, like that. So I'm going to experiment something that is different, that is out from the conventional or the traditional doing this type of cooking. I'll never mention paha. Okay, go there. Hello, I'm here. I'm back. Okay, I have the potato, 2 pieces of potato. So I'm gonna put these potatoes here in the table. Okay, guys. Later we'll be peeling this one. Okay, and then I have the. Oh my God! I have the okra galore. Okay, but it looks like my okra has been, oh my God, has been rotten or deteriorated. So not good anymore to cook. Well, what's happening? This is very long time not. Okay. Okay. See, it's already very rotten. And I think there are a lot of bacteria accumulating in this okra now. So I will never use this na. So we will delete this ingredient na. Okay, this okra. So I have to throw this okra to the trash can because it is not good for the health. Okay, maybe we can acquire any kinds of diseases or any ill health diseases just because eating this, rotten okra. Okay, like that. I will throw now. Sayang kaya akong kurang palitan ng okra. My gosh! Okra galore! So I will, throw this na akong plenty of okras. Okay? Sorry guys. Sayang. Okay. Now, I will get my chopping board because I want to peel. Okay, I want to remove the, the outer layer of these potatoes. Okay, like that. But before that, I'm going to wash that. Okay. Only 2 potatoes. Okay. And you know what? This is already for lunch. Okay. Because I will never eat rice now at lunch. I will use these potatoes as an alternative in my carbohydrates intake, okay? Watch this first. Oh my God. Okay, already clean, and then I will start to remove the outer layer. Okay. My God. Okay, with a knife. I will do this here. Like that. But before doing something or to go with another steps in cooking like this, I will have to hum songs for you guys. Okay? Sa bawat pag-ikot ng ating buhay, may oras kailangan na maghiwalay. Puso, lumaban man, walang magagawa. Saan ka, kailan ka muling makan? Magkulang ang sa atin itong sandali. Alam ko na tayo'y makikita muli hanggat may umaga pa na harapin. Pumiyok si John. Potato galore. Ang mamahalin. Okay, but before slicing this potato, I have to wash this again. I'm taking the video, but the faucet is here in front of the camera on my mobile phone. Okay, like this. Slice it gradually. Woo! Like that. So this one are the sliced potatoes. Okay, this one. Okay, and then here is the second one, the big one. Okay, kanta muna ako ulit. Maghamon na ako ng songs. Ano bang songs ang kantahin ko? Char. Okay. It's amazing you can speak right to my heart. Yun lang, di ba? Boyzone. Without saying no words, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I could never define what's been said between your heart and mine. Come sing with me. The smile on your face makes me know that you need it. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. Only you, I can hear people talking out loud. Ganon. Nandun lang. Okay. I start to remove now the outer layer of the potato. Okay. My God. Hello world. Hello Philippines. Happy Independence Day Philippines. My country of origin. Okay. It's about time to express our freedom of expression. Okay. The right of suffrage. The democracy. Okay. The freedom of speech. We can do something and fight for it. Blah blah blah. Okay. Happy Independence Day. Ating alalahanin si sino ba yun? Andres Bonifacio. Ganon. Yes. That's it. My gosh. Okay, this is the first part of my cooking session, and then come back again with my second session because I'm low bat now. Sorry for that, guys. And it takes also 9 minutes. Okay, and 9 minutes and 52 seconds already. It's a long time video already. Okay, baboosh!